Empower your market analytics with state-of-the-art Python charts. LightningChart Python Trader revolutionizes technical analysis, providing interactive, real-time charts directly from your Python environment or Jupyter notebook. With cutting-edge WebGL rendering and proprietary LightningChart technology, experience smooth, instantaneous updates and responsive charts that handle billions of data points effortlessly. With LightningChart Python Trader, you can easily integrate charting capabilities into your preferred Python environment or Jupyter notebook setup. Detailed documentation, practical tutorials, and clear step-by-step code examples simplify the process, enabling rapid implementation and effective use. Empower your workflow with comprehensive resources and versatile integration options designed to optimize your analytics. LightningChart Python Trader comes with over 100 built-in technical indicators, enabling detailed market analysis right out of the box. Choose from envelopes, moving averages, oscillators, trend indicators, and volatility measures. Effortlessly implement advanced chart types like candlestick, bar, line, mountain, Kagi, Renko, point and figure, and Heikin-Ashi charts, enhancing your trading insights instantly. Bring clarity and precision to your analysis with more than 30 powerful drawing tools. Quickly add Fibonacci retracements, trend lines, patterns, channels, measurements, text, and shapes. LightningChart transforms your static analytics into dynamic interactions, allowing you to zoom, pan, annotate, and precisely tailor your visual analysis. Customize your experience effortlessly. LightningChart Python Trader provides versatile UI themes and settings, letting you save your preferred chart layouts as reusable templates. Easily integrate and manage real-time market data feeds in customizable 2D and immersive 3D chart environments, without compromising on performance or visual smoothness. Experience it yourself. Visit our website today. Download the 7-day free trial and bring your analytics to the next level with LightningChart Python Trader.